I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a transcription service that matches your language and accuracy needs. This determines speed and cost. Once selected, upload your audio or record directly into the app because clean input reduces edit time. Make sure to set speaker labels, timestamps, and the export format before you run the job. This saves repeating steps later. You'll also pick noise reduction or enhanced speech models if available, since those improve word confidence and reduce manual corrections afterward. Once the transcription completes, open the transcript and read through continuously, correcting misheard words and punctuation because automated systems still err. Make sure to use timestamps and speaker tags to break long monologues into readable segments, which improves comprehension and downstream captioning. Use the tools Search, Find and Replace, and glossary features to update repeated terms or proper nouns quickly. If available, apply confidence filters to jump to low-confidence phrases first. This targets your effort. You finish by exporting the clean transcript in the formats you need: SRT for captions, DocX for editing, or TXT for notes, and then share or upload as required. Make sure to archive the original audio alongside the final transcript and use clear versioned file names with dates to avoid confusion. If you encounter alignment or speaker label issues, reprocess a noise-reduced audio clip or manually adjust timestamps for the problematic segments. This quick fix resolves most remaining sync or misattribution errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.